When technology meets art, you get the TECNO Camon 19 Pro Mondrian version. This smartphone on here has a plain back with grit at first sight, but when ultraviolet light hits it, basically when you take it outside under the sun, you get this colorful pattern that reflects different colors. And that mimics artwork by Piet Mondrian, if that's how it's being pronounced. This version of the Camon 19 Pro is actually in collaboration with Museum of Fine Arts. But first off, let's see what we get within the box of the Mondrian edition of the Camon 19 Pro. This is a colorful box, and out of the box are 4 sections, starting with the smallest box in yellow housing the accessories like the 33-watt charger and cable. The blue gift box here houses the Mondrian art scarf, cufflinks and a lapel. Next up is the orangey red box with a pair of sonic Bluetooth earbuds maintaining the same color scheme. Onto the biggest box is the smartphone itself. Wait, give me a second to enjoy this unwrapping ASMR. There is also an MTN voucher, a TPU case, and a SIM ejector. The TECNO Camon 19 Pro Mondrian Edition here would be launched in Lagos on the 16th of August. Of course, I'll be there to bring you guys more info on this device. Just stick to my social handles. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Cool that day.